are on a mission for chocolate and popcorn. We're walking to Kroger. The snow has hardened and turned into ice, and we're like breaking it. Okay, we are in a little dangerous area right here. This is an adventure, y'all. This is kind of scary. It literally is a ghost town out here. There are no cars on the street. This is Peachtree Street. Right here, Peachtree Street. We have R. Thomas down there, a local gas station further down. But there are absolutely no cars, just a few cars sprinkled about. But that's about it. And that car is actually going kind of fast, but it's very dangerous out here. As we've said, the snow has hardened and turned into ice, and it's very easy to slip. Here come the cars. Kroger is just straight ahead where those lights are. If we can just make it to Kroger to get chocolate and popcorn in dollar movies. We like Kettle popcorn. Kettle popcorn is the best. And we got some sugar-free Russell Stover's chocolate coconut, coconut covered chocolate, chocolate covered coconut, and Lindt 85% extra dark cocoa. Chocolate and popcorn. Wow, look at all those cheese balls. How many are in there? 35 ounces of cheese balls. They have closed Kroger. We just made it. We were the last people out. Kroger is closed. The cashier there said that their boss came to pick them up so they could work today. He picked them up in their Hummer. I guess that's their Hummer back there. Wow, crazy.
And they got free groceries.
And they got free groceries, which is good. So I just feel sorry for all the people that are walking here and finding out that the store is closed.